Welcome to Oralux Technology Management by Muhammad Kurumbaig. We are providing digital data transformation IT services through our dedicated and motivated team and high-technology intelligent applications and automation software for cooperative work to build high-level applications and tools. Our R&D Center of Excellence is working on introducing more intelligent tools and automation cloud multitasking applications for business and industry for both local and global market. We are also working on skill development project for all educational system and automation cloud technologies like MES or LMS. Also published more than 1,500 plus free skill series books and guides, data voucher business modules database, 10,000 plus data voucher, e-pages for foundation level business courses and internship program online. For more information, please visit website or contact Sir Muhammad Kurumbaig, www.OraluxTM.com.